I have been looking for a door that would accommodate both my dogs, and I found the Baboni Extra Large 3-flap wall door. This is my 90-plus pound puppy sailing in, followed by my 75-pound shorter dog. It provides your dogs the independence to move about without needing your help, so you don't have to go outside in extreme weather conditions or rush home to take your dogs out. The 3-flap design keeps out the elements, offering excellent weatherproofing while maintaining your home's energy efficiency. Installation is simple, as the door comes with a cutout template and easy-to-follow instructions. Built for durability, this door features a robust metal frame and high-quality aluminum lock for optimal security and insulation. With a telescoping tunnel designed for walls between 4 and 7.25 inches thick, the Baboni door accommodates diverse wall structures seamlessly. Baboni is dedicated to customer satisfaction with complete accessories and reliable after-sales service. Your pets will thank you, and you will thank yourself for this awesome upgrade.